Hi everyone, and welcome to this quick tutorial. If you're having trouble opening PDF files with the program you want, or if Windows 10 keeps using the wrong app, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you step by step how to change the default PDF viewer on Windows 10 using the system settings. No software needed, and it only takes a minute. Let's get started and make sure your PDFs always open the way you want. First, open Settings by press Windows plus I on your keyboard. In the Settings window, select Apps. On the left side, click Default Apps. Scroll down and click on Choose Default Apps by file type. Wait for the list to load, then scroll down to .pdf. Click the app icon next to .pdf. Choose your preferred PDF viewer from the list. Your new default PDF app is now set. And that's all there is to it. You've now successfully changed your default PDF viewer on Windows 10. This small adjustment can save you time and frustration when opening documents. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this one. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.